Hello. Hello, guys. Welcome to this next week. It's a new week, new beginnings, new beginnings. Yeah, that's pronounced correct. So yeah, new openings, new beginnings, new everything, and yeah, it is. Today is a Tuesday, and yesterday I did not record. So yesterday, what's the update is basically just. Yeah, so my TNP was yesterday. So today was scheduled to be TNP, but then in my college there is some inspection that is going on, so it got shifted to tomorrow, and hence so today is just was just regular college, and Monday mostly TNP. So Monday it was linkless. Sorry, it was trees. So trees may BST, how to trim a BST, and like questions related to that. Coming to coming to today, today mostly in the college it was well before like forenoon. It I mostly spent on what did I spend on? Yeah, I spent on writing my notes, and the time after lunch I spent on solving like code forces, and then uh, a little bit of just seeing other people's projects. So it was like lab basically. So everybody was doing having their own laptops and they were doing the work. And my teammates did not show up today. So no, I don't have. I did not bring my own laptop. Had told one more guy to bring it, and he was a no-show. So yeah, that was. So I was just solving like code forces questions in the lab. And along with that, I was seeing other people's like what projects they're doing, how much progress they've made, and honestly, they've made some pretty amazing projects. Like comparing to how they were in the first year to looking at them now, and honestly, it's an amazing like change in them. Honestly, like it's crazy. But yeah, they're doing something nice. Their projects, their ideas, their execution, all it's pretty nice. They're working pretty hard as a team. I did not get a great team as my personal opinion, but well, that can't do anything now about the team selection. So yeah, and today, yeah, after coming back, I chanted my rounds and. Yeah, I also solved another question from Code Forces. Not doing it for in the trees topic. I'm just doing it from the training sheet that I'm currently following. And yeah, that's about it. And then I came, I had my dinner. It was amazing. And then I took a session online. It was also amazing. So yeah, just chilling for now. Uh, Meanwhile, there's a lot of things that need to be like pre-planned. And I'm still thinking like where do I store all of this? Like my Apple's OneNote is one like great place to store things like my thoughts or ideas. I tried journals, but my three journal things I showed you guys in previous videos. So yeah, that really did not stick because I don't know why it did not stick. Probably because I'm kind of nervous that somebody's gonna just open my journal and just read through it because they don't have the idea of privacy. But yeah, that's probably one of the biggest reasons. Uh, so maybe I'll try something in OneNote, something I can plan in it. So yeah, that's about it, and I'll see you guys pretty soon. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be our last training and placement session of this month, is what I was informed. So this is where my batch's training session is gonna be done, and other people are gonna have it on 29th, their last session. So I don't really know. Mine also might get pushed to 29th, but Also, it might not. So we don't really know what the future holds. So yeah, just looking at it, tomorrow would probably be like 90%. I'd say it will be the last one. And tomorrow we also have our beloved code chef contest. And yeah, I also really need to focus on my sleep and get better at pattern recognition. Is what I'll say. There's always room for improvement, right? So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I will see you guys in 24 hours, perhaps. Well, guys, I'll see you guys soon. Hello, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So yeah, basically this today is the Thursday. So yesterday, Wednesday's contest. I'll just give you an overview what happened. First question, second question, I completed it, and third question within 10 minutes I completed it. And the fourth question, I could not figure it out even after like 1.5 hours of the contest. So yeah, that was pretty sad. I just kept on trying to solve it. Many test cases, I tried to apply my knowledge. Partial test cases, like three test cases were passing, four were passing, but not completely. That's unfortunate, but it was completely intuition based, is what I feel. So it's okay, at least getting partial last contest. I did not even get that. So that's an improvement, and I'll have to keep on improving. It's not too bad, correct? Yeah, and also, yeah, I think my TNP is done. So I'll be focused on more assignments and writing work. So this weekly log series is gonna be just more of me telling what I completed. And also, I was thinking that I start some like I'm gonna get holidays and like when after this June or something, I'll have my holidays in June, around 2 weeks. I was thinking to maybe do problem solving and explain every single day like a question and then upload a solution or whatever. Yeah, we'll see. I'll plan something and maybe some hackathons also I can attend during that time. It's been quite a while since I've attended one, so yeah, I'll see about that. And yeah, that's all about it for now. And yeah, today what I did was I just wrote my record, and that's about it. My FSWD record, full stack web development lab. And yeah, I am kind of tensed about my real time research project. Um, Man, so I've got some pretty interesting teammates to say the least. So yeah, that's it. I hope they come through. I've given them some work. I really hope they come through with it. And yeah, tomorrow nobody's probably going to college. Tomorrow we have a fest, so there isn't gonna be much academic work that can be done in the college. So most of the people are staying behind. And Saturday it's a whole Saturday, so it's a holiday, and Sunday general holiday. So yeah, Monday is gonna be the big day in the college where everybody shows up. And yeah, I think that Monday, the next week, whatever is there, from that week we're gonna start our internals. So yeah, that's about it. We'll start our internals. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, Hare Krishna. Hello, hello, hello. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to today's vlog. And today is a Saturday, and yesterday, yesterday I was supposed to record, and I did not because yesterday was a day off for me, not for YouTube, but from college. I was just logged in. I was focused on writing my records and observations, and so there's just a little bit more work left for me to like complete in the writing work. And Yeah, that's about it. Today there was a contest in AtCoder. AtCoder, somebody recommended me the beginner contests. It would be confidence boosting, whatever. So I gave it a try, right? AtCoder's thing, and I'll just show you what happened. So yeah, this is the contest, right? You can see a beginner contest over here clearly. And the first question, right? This is the first question. You are given all of this, okay? Pretty simple, right? If only this condition, output yes, otherwise output no. Pretty straightforward. Then I come to the second question, and you see that see all of this, thinking that okay, there must be some pattern or whatever, and you come down, you see the test cases, and you're like, you need to count all of this. And okay, I give it a shot. I try to think of an approach, but it doesn't really work out. And then I come to the third question, and yeah, this it's pretty simple. It's like greedy approach. I get it, and I also did like brute force approach once, and then I optimized it using a hash map, and because of a 10 power 5 constraint, um, I'll just show you guys. So wrong answer because data types first, or here I got wrong answer because of the data type handling. I got wrong answer here because my code was wrong. Okay, and over here, as you guys can see, last thing I have fixed all of the bugs, but still TLE because of me using O of n square at the worst case time complexity. The worst case 10 power 5 and 10 power 5, both k and n are equal. So yeah, I tried to use a tree map, but then I switched to a hash map and still nothing, honestly. But okay, well, yeah, the contest was done at around 7:10 and now it's 8:45. I will quickly just analyze where I went wrong for like 10 minutes. I'll put it into my yeah, I'll put it into my code chef. Sorry, I'll just put it into my Notion, and yeah, then that's about it for today. After my analysis, I'll probably just focus on writing and completing my writing work. Yeah, that's all about it for today. And I'll see you guys pretty soon, alright? See you guys. Hare Krishna. Hello, hello. Hello, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Sunday slog. And to be honest, I'm running like under time. What is it? Yeah, I'm running low on time, and I need to upload the video in like less than an hour. I need to edit, upload. I have to export the video, and have not started any of it. So I guess I'll start on it right now. Before this, I was solving code process question, and I'll tell you guys what. I've also created this Notion page for me analyzing my contests because I just realized that during my JEE days, I used to analyze whatever tests I wrote. But now I'm writing contests, which is literally like a mock test, but I'm not analyzing it. So I've analyzed today's Code Chef lead code contest, and yesterday I wrote a beginners at coder contest. I don't know if I recorded it or not yesterday, but yeah, the code at coder contest was amazing. It was claimed to be a beginner, but let me tell you, it wasn't too much beginner friendly to be honest. But yeah, it is what it is. But still, it has helped me learn a lot about myself, about how I'm approaching things. I'm mostly depending on my intuition rather than my logical thinking and creative thinking. So I really need to put things on paper a lot more, and I'll need to, yeah, I need to make sure that both my brain and my hands are working while I'm solving a question. It's not purely a mind game. So it can get into a mind game when the steps are when if I'm at a grandmaster or a international grandmaster stage, but I'm not. I'm literally unrated in code forces, so it's simply a waste of time to think of myself to be at their level right now. So to just imitate their actions would be, pretty wrong of me. So that's what I realized. I'm not taking help of the test cases. I'm just looking at them, understanding them, but I'm not doing anything with them. So yeah, today's lead code question, let's try to show it to you guys. So my lead code, right? Um, so yeah, this question, valid elements in an array. I have two questions, A and B, right? So the first question, valid elements in an array, I completed it within like 15 or 20 minutes, I think. And yeah, because I started a little bit late, but yeah, you get what I'm saying. And the second one, I um, I'll show you what happened. My submissions. So these many wrong answers and runtime errors during the contest. And after the contest were over, I looked at the solutions of whatever people were doing, and I was like, it was this simple. And then after I looked at the solution, I did not really think much of it. I came back, I re-looked at the question, and I tried to solve it in my way again. And guess what? It got accepted. And I was just seeing the time complexity, the runtime, and memory over here. So yeah, and one small error in lead code's time complexity. Said it's O of n into k square, which on paper looks correct, but if you look at my code, I'm using a hash map, and hash map with at max 26 characters. But actually, since I'm only counting vowels over here, so at max it'll have only 5 characters. So at max 5 characters. You guys are hearing what I'm saying? At max 5 characters. So yeah, it's 5 characters. So it would be O of one. Basically, it's constant space, even in the worst case scenario. So putting over here, saying that what my code is n into k square and replace the manual max search to get a linear time complexity. Mine is already linear. Okay, it's just that lead code doesn't know what that is yet, I guess. I mean, they probably know it, but because of how the AI is doing things, it's showing off an into k square. But okay, it's acceptable, I guess. In an interview, I can just explain what my approach is, right? So it doesn't really matter. So yeah, that's about it for today. And my writing work and all also is going on pretty neatly. And I wish I can, record a bit more and share with you guys as much as possible. So yeah, and the code forces question that I did use paper, and I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, that's not helping. Yeah, so a lot of things have gone on out there, and I've solved it. I did not even know how I solved it, but I solved it just by putting it on a piece of paper. So yeah, I'm gonna have to train myself in the art of using papers more. Correct, because that is my current stage. And that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next week's log. Hare Krishna.